So we got this X Pro 125cc manual transmission dirt bike, and we're going to get this 5/8 socket here and take out spark plug. As you can see, it's really sooty. I just brought it down from a 105 to a 95 jet, so I think I got to clean that plug off, because there's no way a 95 jet would make it this dirty. But anyways, we are here to check the compression. New compression testing kit, and looks like it's going to be a 10mm insert. Yeah, 10mm thread. Let's go ahead and put it on the hose first. That'll probably be easier. This is the supplied hose that comes with the kit, and you have your different sizes: 10, 12, 14, and 18. Alright, check our gauge. Pretty nice gauge too. It's got a nice relief valve. It's a rubber protective thing on there, and alright, released on pressure. Let's give it a couple cranks and see what happens. 75 psi, right on the money. Just a slight hair past it, but that's what we're looking at, 75 psi. Alright, so we went ahead and got a little bristle brush there and just cleaned up with some gasoline. We're going to stick it back in. I'll go ahead and put a link to where you can find this on Amazon for a really good price. I like it. Like I said, it's got the 10, 12, 14, and 18mm size to fit just about any spark plug thread there is out there.